Hi, this is Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group, and you are watching a review of SociCake, which is being launched on January the 3rd, 2019 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 4 p.m. if you're GMT like me in the UK. So what is SociCake? Well, it's an excellent bundle of 10 Facebook marketing apps for the price of one, and it is probably my favourite product launch of the year so far. I know we're only on January the 3rd, but nonetheless, it's a very good product and very well worth the money that you're going to be asked to pay for it. So in this review, I'm going to go through the product and the 10 different apps you get for the price of one, explain about the one-time offers that are out there, and also why you should click on the link below and take the product through me, because you will also get 5 exclusive bonuses that you cannot get anywhere else. They're exclusive to me. So if you like the look of those bonuses on top of what you get with SociCake, then please do consider signing up for my offer. So let's have a quick overview of the product. First of all, meet the owners. It is experienced tech team of Mario Brown and Ifiok and Kem that have got some launches behind them, and they're a very established and well-respected team. So what do you get with SociCake? You get 10 tools to take your engagement traffic and leads from your Facebook activities to a completely new level. So what are the 10 apps? Let's go through them individually. Firstly, there's the Messenger Bot Builder. It creates bots and automation for your pages with automatic conversation flows, and you can use these flows to deliver value, drive traffic, and convert contacts into leads, or maybe even make sales, depending on how you've got your site set up. The app number 2 is Messenger Broadcasting. This tool enables you to blast promotional and follow-up messages to those that have engaged with your page. You can do that an unlimited number of times. The third one's a comment bot that you can set the tool up so that it sends an automated response to everyone who comments on your Facebook post. That's a nice touch. The next app is a Facebook ads and content designer that will pump out jaw-dropping and high-converting designs in just minutes, even if you've got zero technical or design skills like I have. Number 5 is a rich post editor. You may have seen that a lot of people, even some very experienced internet marketing, are using rich text posts in their Facebook postings to make them really stand out ahead of the competition. This will enable you to do that. I should add, by the way, that there's a walkthrough video which you will see. It's actually not that one. It's on the front of my sales page, and that will take you through all of the apps in a little bit more detail. So if you're more of a visual guy that likes to look at them, look at the pictures rather than hear me talk about them, then you can get a flavour for it there. But I'm talking through the apps for those that prefer this method. The next app is a post manager. With the post manager, you can create and schedule link posts, image posts, video posts, and call to action posts. The app number 7 is one of my favourites because it's a problem that I've encountered with Facebook marketing over the years. You're probably aware that when you click on an image or a photo in Facebook, all that happens is you get taken to a larger version of that picture or image. But it's the natural instinct of people to click on images rather than to click on the text underneath the images. So what if you had a way where people could click on the image and that would take them to the link that you want them to go to? Well, this tool on SociCake achieves that, and in that regard, it's probably worth the price alone. The next one's a Facebook fan inviter. The way this works, and they go into more detail in the explainer video, it means that people that like individual posts that you have put out there rather than the site as a whole, they will be encouraged with this method to actually like your page rather than just the post that they've liked, and that obviously creates better provenance for you. SociCake tool number 9 is an opt-in link. With this tool, you can create links that capture the name and email address of those that click on them. And finally, a Facebook livecast engine. That's the 10th app. That's a tool to upload pre-recorded videos and broadcast it live on your timeline and across multiple Facebook accounts, should you desire to do so. So in terms, that's the 10 different apps, and in terms of what you get extra from me, my first exclusive bonus is silver membership of affiliatesprofitsclub.com. If you go over there, you're welcome to go over there, and you will see that you will be charged $27 for silver membership. So it's a genuine freebie for something that costs money to join, and I'm offering that to you. The second one is a conversion rocket ride. It's a report that's going to learn you about a number of different tricks you can use to boost your conversions and get more opt-ins. Number 3, very talked about at the moment, crowdfunding success, some ideas and some strategies as to how you can make money for your internet marketing business through crowdfunding. The affiliate equation bonus is a report that's intended to work hand in glove with the membership that I've given you of Affiliates Profits Club. And number 5, guest blogging chemistry. Just a little bit of a left field one there for how you can use guest blogging experience so you can skyrocket your income. Just something that I do from time to time using some of my journalistic skills. So there you have it. They are 5 reasons why you should sign up through my link, which is immediately under this video. I hope that you'll consider doing that. And let me just talk you through the pricing. So at the moment, we're in this 4-hour window. If you've managed to jump in between 11 p.m. or a.m. rather Eastern and 3 p.m. Eastern, that's 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. GMT, then you get the opportunity to get this product for $27 for personal use or $33 for commercial. Most of you will want the commercial license. The price then jumps up to $29 for personal and $37 for commercial until midnight, and then there's another price jump. In terms of the upsells, the first one is a pro version of the product with additional features and functionality for another $37, and then the second one-time offer is another $37 to join the Facebook Academy that the owners are running with an ultimate Facebook marketing training course. Now, if you need additional training on Facebook marketing, this course is very good. I'd highly recommend it. The other upsells are agency package and also white label rights. Again, it depends on exactly what you want to do, but if you do intend selling the product on as your own, then obviously you need white label rights. If you don't, then obviously steer clear of this one upsell because it's unnecessary expense. But if that is what you intend to do and you're really impressed with the product sufficiently that you think you might like to actually go out and market it as if it's your own, then obviously consider that. But I can tell you all those one-time offers will also be increasing incrementally as time goes on. So act quickly if you want to take this product and in any of the upsells. So that's really it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I've tried to keep it as concise as possible. I know you're all busy people. This has been Dawood Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of SociCake.